What if I told you that some of the most mind blowing moments in movies and real life weren't about superheroes or aliens, but chemical engineers? Yeah, forget about Iron Man's suit for a second. The real heroes are the ones who turn impossible reactions into reality, prevent disasters, and literally keep the world running. So, today, let's talk about times when chemical engineering was the actual hero both on screen and off screen. Houston, we have a problem. Three astronauts 330,000 kilometers from Earth. An oxygen tank has exploded. Their carbon dioxide levels are rising fast. They'll suffocate in hours. Back on Earth, a room full of NASA engineers, many with chemical and process backgrounds, start working around the clock. Their challenge: make a square filter fit into a round hole using only what's on the spacecraft. They do the impossible. By understanding gas flow dynamics, reaction stoichiometry, and sorbent kinetics, they rebuild the life support system from scratch remotely. That was chemical process control under absolute pressure, literally life or death thermodynamics. And when Apollo 13 splashed down safely, it became one of the greatest engineering rescues in history. It wasn't a superhero who saved them, it was chemistry. The Apollo 13 mission showed how chemistry could save lives in space. But just over a decade later, chemistry would also teach humanity a painful lesson here on Earth. In 1984, Bhopal, India faced one of the worst industrial disasters in history. A toxic gas leak that claimed thousands of lives. But in the years that followed, something remarkable happened. Chemical engineers across the world came together, not just to assign blame, but to redesign the entire way industries handle hazardous materials. They introduced fail safe valve systems, real time leak detection sensors, automated scrubbers, and community safety protocols. Every plant you see today with multiple safety redundancies, that's chemical engineering learning from tragedy. They turned pain into progress. And while Bhopal reshaped industrial safety, another event just 2 years later would redefine how we think about nuclear reactions themselves. April 26, 1986, Chernobyl, Ukraine. A reactor explodes during a safety test. In a flash, graphite burns, water turns to steam, and radioactive chemicals blast into the sky. It's one of the darkest days in industrial history, and yet it changed chemical engineering forever. The HBO miniseries Chernobyl showed us the human cost, but behind the radiation suits, chemical engineers became the quiet guardians of the future. After the disaster, engineers analyzed what went wrong: uncontrolled exothermic reactions, thermal runaway, and pressure buildup. They created new systems: first, inert gas containment to prevent explosions, second, heat transfer simulations to track reactor behavior, and third, multi layered emergency cooling systems that engage automatically. They rewrote the safety codes for every nuclear plant on Earth. And today, every reactor design from France to India uses chemical process modeling born from Chernobyl's tragedy. It was chemistry turned into prevention, a moment when the world learned that even the smallest reaction can change everything. From Chernobyl's ashes to the vacuum of space, from poisoned rivers to polluted skies, chemical engineers have stepped in time and again to rebuild the world molecule by molecule. They don't make headlines every day. You won't see them in comic books or on red carpets, but every innovation that keeps our world safe, clean, and alive carries their signature. Chemical engineering isn't just about reactions in a beaker, it's about reaction to crisis, adaptation, and creating order from the unpredictable. Because when everything else breaks down, it's chemistry that holds the world together.